Hey everyone, welcome back to Mini Poly. Today, I'll show you how to render a low poly character in Blender, perfect for beginners. We'll set up lighting and camera for a clean look. Let's get started. First, go to the render mode and give any HDRI you like in Word Properties. And if you don't like the HDRI in the background, you can hide it under Film Settings under Render Properties. Now, I will use Plane to make the basic background to catch the light at the back. You can add the bevel so that it catches the light properly and don't show hard edges. Now I will start adding the lights. I will start with the main spotlight with very high power followed by 2 plane lights. You can check my other render setting and try to follow, although it is on you to play with according to the model you have. Now I will add partition to the screen so that I can check the render views separately. You can use your second screen if you have. Now I will add the 2 plane lights with warm and cold tone to give contrast to the model. You can check the placement and color of all the lights and try to copy according to your models. I am adding few light in the back to separate the model from background. Here I am adding basic dark color to the background with full roughness because I don't want it to be shiny. I am changing the camera setting to portrait mode. You can copy the values if you want. Now I will add 1 spotlight to the back and try to light the background plane because it looks cool in my opinion. And that's it. Your low poly character is now rendered and ready. If you found this helpful, like, subscribe, and drop a comment for more Blender tips. See you in the next one.